In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Figma. If you're new to Figma or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that's widely used by designers all over the world. Bolding text is one of the basic yet essential tasks you might need to do, whether you're working on a simple project or a complex design. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate over to Figma's website. Once you're there, you're going to want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but assuming you do, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and sign in. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to your home page. Here you'll find an overview of all your projects and recent activity, which is super handy for keeping track of what you're working on. For today, we're going to focus on opening a design where you want to apply bold text, so go ahead and click on Design in the main menu. This will take you to the design area where you can see all your currently active projects or start a new one. Now, with your design open, look towards the top of the interface and find the text tool. This tool is crucial for adding text elements to your design. Click on it to start adding or selecting text you want to modify. You can create a new text box if you haven't got one already, or simply select an existing text field that you want to transform. Once you have your text selected, focus your attention on the right hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all the text editing options that Figma offers. Next, locate the typography section, which houses all the tools you're going to need for editing your text. It's in this area where you can adjust font size, style, and other text properties. Under this section, you'll see an option for changing the font weight. This is where bolding happens. The final step is to simply click on the bold button. This will immediately apply a bold effect to your selected text, giving it greater emphasis and visual weight. And that's it, you've just bolded your text in Figma. Bolding can help parts of your text stand out, drawing attention to key information in your design. Hopefully you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Remember, Figma is a robust tool with loads of features, so don't hesitate to explore further and see what else you can create. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.